Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making iPhone cookies. We are going to make iPhone screen with all the little icons, adorable pineapple iPhone case, and also iPhone text message screen where you can include a personalized message. For those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, first time visiting, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more uploads. Let's get started. I'm using paper template and edible marker, drawing the outlines for the screen. We're going to use 15-second consistency white royal icing. For all the recipes and tools used in this tutorial, be sure to visit the description box under the video. Everything can be found in there. I'm going to let this crust, and then we're gonna add the icons. To make the icons, you need to use food grade acetate sheet, or you can also use wax paper or parchment, but I personally would recommend food grade acetate sheet. You can find a link where you can get those down below in the description box. And we're going to pipe the icons on a sheet like so. Some of them I'm leaving blank because I will be using edible marker to draw the design on these once they dry. It will take about 8 hours for these to dry, so I recommend you make these ahead of time. You can also create designs by piping wet on wet icing and then using your needle tool to shape the icing. Now we're going to make the screen. I'm going to use different colors and we're going to blend these together using a needle tool. All of these are about 15-second consistency. Now take dry royal icing transfers we made and gently place them on the wet icing. Use your needle tool to position the icon if it's a little out of place while it's still wet. The icing underneath is still wet. After you place all of the icons on your icing, we're gonna have to let that dry. And then I'm going to finish with adding details using edible markers. Now we're going to make a pineapple iPhone case, starting with light blue royal icing, 15-second consistency, outline and flat the cookie. Now with yellow royal icing, pipe the pineapple. And here is where I realized I made a mistake, because if you add too much icing in one spot, you'll see it starts overflowing. Right here, do you see it coming over the edge there? So now I'm just gonna add the green top, but not before I fix the bottom. So I'm just using my cookie scraper to remove a little bit of icing, otherwise it would have fallen off the cookie. And then we can continue with the green part. Here I'm adding a lighter shade of green, and I'm going to use a needle tool to blend it in. I'm going to let it dry, and then we can use edible markers to finish this design. You can alternatively use edible paint or edible food coloring mixed with some alcohol. Here I'm using paintbrush dipped in a little bit of alcohol. And I'm also going to add a little more of the orange edible marker on the side here, and then use the brush to blend it in. Now using blue edible marker, we're going to create a scalloped edge and continue up to the top. Now take pink edible marker and go around the edge like so. And I'm also going to enhance the green part using edible marker to outline the leaves. With gold edible luster dust mixed with a little bit of lemon extract, paint the cookie. Now we are going to make iPhone text message screen. So start by filling in the screen section. We already did the outer section before, letting it crust. I'm filling it with about 15-second consistency royal icing, and after that we're gonna have to let that dry completely. I'm using gray edible marker. And here I'm using paintbrush dipped in a little bit of vodka to blend the marker in. You can also use food colors mixed with a little bit of alcohol to paint. And the last thing is the message that you want to include. I'm including happy birthday, Sophia. And here are all the iPhone cookies finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and on social media. And also be sure to give it big thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.